Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.info, and today I'll tell you how to buy from AliExpress in Algeria. Open AliExpress application on your phone or go to official website of AliExpress, sign in to your account or create your account if you don't have one, and before searching any products, make sure that you have your international friendly payment method. And if you have one, it's perfect. Then the ordering process will be exactly the same as if you would order from other continents and or other regions, other countries. So go to our channel, and I have a video called How to Buy from AliExpress, where I show you step by step how you can do that. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.